Alright, so something interesting just leaked, and it's got people talking. DJI's rumored Matrice 4T has surfaced in new images. And here's the twist. It doesn't look like what we expected. Instead, it seems to be built around the DJI Mavic 3 platform. Yeah, DJI might be remixing their existing tech. These leaks come from Osita LV, who's pretty reliable when it comes to DJI news. Plus, Igor Bogdanov, another solid source, shared the specs too, though they were in Chinese, so we translated them. If anything seems off, let us know in the comments. Well, let's get started. The images show a modified Mavic 3 body, but with some noticeable professional upgrades like advanced sensor arrays, RTK support for super precise positioning, and mounting points for specialized payloads. Definitely geared toward industrial use, like inspections and first responder operations. This leaked design seems to be missing a pretty major feature: LiDAR for obstacle avoidance. Yeah, even DJI's more budget-friendly Air 3 S-Pac's obstacle avoidance tech, so leaving it out here? Kinda strange for a drone aimed at critical jobs, where reliability is everything. Maybe they have something even better that we don't know of. Anyways, moving on to its features. The Matrice 4T could feature AI-assisted flight with real-time detection for people, vehicles, and even ships. On top of that, you might be able to load third-party devices for specialized tasks, huge for search and rescue or inspections. Plus, it supports multiple smart flight modes like fly-around, fixed-speed following, and autonomous navigation, making complex missions way easier to handle. Then there's a dedicated night scene mode to boost low-light performance, along with an infrared fill light and a searchlight for clearer visuals during nighttime inspections. Flight performance? We're talking 10 meters per second ascent speeds and 2.8 meters per second descent, with 4G enhanced transmission and the D-RTK3 relay system for rock-solid signal stability. It even uses a fusion positioning system, combining RTK GNSS, vision sensors, and imported terrain data for ultra-precise flight. Let's get into the camera setup. We get a thermal imaging camera, a telephoto camera with 48 MP, 1/1.5-inch CMOS sensor, 168mm focal length, and 112x hybrid zoom. Yup, way sharper than the Matrice 3 series. Medium telephoto camera, also 48 MP, 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor with a 70mm focal length, great for mid-range inspections. Wide-angle camera, 48 MP again, 1/1.3-inch CMOS, 24mm lens, and a bright f1.7 aperture for solid low-light shots. And lastly, a laser ranging module. And let's not forget the accessory upgrades. There's the D-RTK3 multifunction station for even more precise positioning, and real-time megaphone support for critical missions, where you need to give commands from the sky. The big question: is DJI streamlining its Pro lineup, or just playing it safe with a Mavic 3 remix? With the Mavic 4 rumored to drop soon, reusing older tech here could make the Matrice 4T feel a bit dated. Let us know your thoughts on this and definitely subscribe for more such videos. Peace.